All right, before we go any further, let's talk about tools. The tools you're going to use are actually super simple. YouTube Studio, it's got all your performance data, click-through rate, retention, impressions. We'll get into what that looks like, what that means. YouTube search, actually YouTube search itself and features in that, huge component of the research and underutilized, highly valuable. We're going to show you exactly how to use that. Google Docs to keep track of all workflows, descriptions, things like that. You need to stay organized. And then ChatGPT, only for, support, right? You got transcript cleanup, outlining, things like that. It's not for decision making. Optional tools, TubeBuddy, VidIQ, super powerful. We'll get into VidIQ. We'll do some tutorials on that, on how to do some keyword research and some surface level insight type things, along with Google Keyword Planner or some keyword type planner. This is for later on in the course when we get into the blog strategy and really amplifying the YouTube SEO. What you need to be aware of that you should completely ignore are overly complex dashboards and any kind of secret growth tool or any claim for guaranteed rankings. All that is usually compensating for something, and it's a hack, it's a trick, it's not going to work. What works is the consistency, the behavior, all the things, all the foundational things. The tools support judgment. That is the key takeaway. Tools support you, right? They don't replace any kind of judgment that you're going to have, right? They can't fix bad intent. They can't fix weak retention. They can't fix unclear promises. So we're going to use the basic tools and we're going to apply judgment. And that is going to be the entire thing that you need in your arsenal to succeed at YouTube SEO.